Hey you guys, what's up? I'm going to show you a demo with our brand new snakeskin gel in white. So I'm going to use ballerina gel number 52, which is this really pretty mauve pink. Look at that. Oh, it's a lovely color. And the nail I have on already is the 123 Go in long round, giving us the Douyin Princess Fantasy. So we're going to do one little coat of this color. As you guys can see, this bottle has the new round brush that literally hugs the cuticle, and it gives you that flawless one coat coverage. So we're gonna apply one coat over the whole nail, cure it for 30 seconds, and then we'll be right back, because it's so important to make sure you apply your snakeskin gel on top of a sticky layer of gel. So let's cure it and we'll be right back. So after the nail comes out of the lamp, look at that, what a beautiful color, right? So we're gonna take our snakeskin gel, give her a good little shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. And we're going to do just a very thin coat over the whole nail surface. And the more uneven it is, the more blotchy, the more dope the nail will look. A little bit right there. And you're gonna see it in real time start to crackle. We're not speeding up the video, we're not editing or anything like that. I'm gonna have it right here so that way we can see the focus. Literally seconds. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that magic? You're gonna give it anywhere between 30 to 90 seconds to get the best crackle effect. Look at that. Isn't that dope? It's giving me like 90s mall vibes, and that's exactly what I wanted. And it's available in two colors as well too, and in both black and white. Look at that. Beautiful. So what I like to do after the nail is done cracking is I like to do a little flash cure for about 30 seconds to make sure that snakeskin gel is fully adhered to the gel polish. So we're going to bake it for 30 seconds and seal with our favorite top coat. So I'm going to use I Heart or I Love Diamond Gel, which is a gel top coat with built-in rhinestone adhesive designed for use with small to medium rhinestones, not big ones, but you can do one little coat of this over the whole nail. Apply your rhinestones, cure for about 90 seconds, and you're done. So I'm gonna add my I Heart Diamond Gel over the whole nail surface. I'm just gonna add a few little diamonds for the fantasy. I'm gonna use Diamond Holic in the color pink. So let's add some diamonds around the cuticle area. One here in the middle. On the side. Oops. You already know my love. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Some boys as well too. The more diamonds, the closer to Jesus. And then two small ones. Boom, perfect. And let's go ahead and cure this for 90 seconds. We'll be right back. And there you have it, my love. Fast, easy nail art with snakeskin gel. Look at that. And you can, remember, layer it with any color, glitter, whatever you want. Just have fun with it. Let it do its magic, and I'll see you guys in the next live video. And you already know, my love, enocouture.com products are vegan, hypoallergenic, humor-free, and proudly made in America. I'll see you guys in the next one. Au revoir.